Welcome to our video on exciting job purpose and attractive packages available in Switzerland for BSc Agriculture graduates. Switzerland, known for its stunning landscape and thriving agricultural sector, offers numerous opportunities for individuals seeking a career in agriculture. So let's explore the top job roles and their associated packages. Agricultural researcher. As an agricultural researcher, you will be contribute to advancing agricultural practices through scientific research. Your responsibilities may include conducting experiments, analyzing data, and developing innovative solutions to enhance crop yields and sustainability. With a BSc in agriculture, you can secure a position as an researcher in renowned Swiss university or agricultural research institution. The average salary for role ranges from 80,000 Swiss franc to 1,20,000 Swiss franc per year, depending on qualifications and experience. Crop production manager. As a crop production manager, you will be oversee the planning, execution, and monitoring of crop production activities, managing farm operation, coordinating with agricultural workers, implementing quality control measure with optimizing productivity. Swiss agricultural companies offer competitive packages to experienced BSc agriculture graduates who can effectively manage crop production. The average annual salary for crop production manager ranges from 70,000 Swiss franc to 1 lakh Swiss franc. Agricultural consultant. As an agricultural consultant, you will be provide expert advice and support to farmer and agricultural businesses. You will analyze farming system, assess risk, and offer recommendation to optimize production and sustainability and profitability. BSc Agriculture graduate can secure consultancy position with agricultural advisory firms or work independently as consultant. The average salary for agricultural consultant in Switzerland varies between 80,000 Swiss francs to 1,20,000 Swiss francs per year. Agribusiness manager. Agribusiness manager play a crucial role in overseeing the operations of agricultural companies. They handle aspects such as finance, marketing, supply chain management, and strategic planning. With a BSc in agriculture, you can pursue career in agribusiness management in Switzerland. The average annual salary for agribusiness manager ranges from 90,000 Swiss francs to 1,40,000 Swiss francs. Sustainable agriculture specialist. Sustainable agriculture is gaining immense importance globally, and Switzerland is no exception. As an sustainable agriculture specialist, you will be promote eco-friendly practices, biodiversity, and conservation in agricultural operations. BSc Agriculture graduate with passion of sustainability can find rewarding career sustainable agriculture organizations, governmental agencies, or NGOs. The average annual salary for sustainable agriculture specialist in Switzerland ranges from 80,000 Swiss francs to 1,10,000 Swiss francs. Agricultural technology specialist. Agriculture is rapidly evolving with integration of technology. As an agricultural technology specialist, you will be work on implementing and optimizing cutting-edge technologies such as precision farming, drone usage, and data analytics to enhance agricultural productivity. Swiss agricultural technology companies and research institutes offer promising for BSc agriculture graduate in this field. The average annual salary for agricultural technology specialists ranges from 90,000 Swiss franc to 1,30,000 Swiss franc. Next is agronomist. Agronomists are experts in crop and soil science. They analyze soil conditions, develop fertilization plans, advise on crop selection, and ensure optimal crop health and productivity. BSc Agriculture graduates with a specialization in agronomy can find employment in agricultural research institute, farming companies, or governmental agencies. The average annual salary for agronomists in Switzerland ranges from 70,000 Swiss franc to 1 lakh Swiss franc. Agricultural Education and Extension Officer. Agricultural education and extension officers play a vital role in disseminating knowledge and providing training to farmer, agricultural work and rural communities. They develop educational programs, conduct workshops, and offer guidance on modern farming practices. BSc Agriculture graduates passionate about educating and empowering others in the agricultural sector can find fulfilling careers as agricultural education and extension officer. The average annual salary for the roles ranges from 75,000 Swiss franc to 1 lakh Swiss franc. Switzerland's thriving agricultural sector offers a plethora of career opportunities for BSc Agriculture graduate. Whether you choose sustainable agriculture, agricultural technologies, agronomy, or education extension, Switzerland provides supportive environment and competitive packages to propel your career. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel AgriFutura.